What's wrong? Feeling your mind start to race? The odds that gun'll kill you are 1 in 2 now. That probability is pretty high, right? Now you're afraid, wondering what else you can do. I bet I know what's going through your head. I already have the gun. Who cares what the rules are? I'm just gonna aim at this asshole, pull the trigger a couple of times, and blow his ugly face off. Well, am I wrong? If you want to meet the person you were talking about earlier, the key's here in my pocket. All you have to do is shoot me with that gun and then it's yours. If you do, though, you'll have to admit one thing to me. You're trash and just as worthless as everyone else. And you only made it out of the dumpster because you got lucky. What's wrong? Feeling your mind start to race?